Ever wondered where the heart of a shrimp is located? Well, it's not where you'd expect. It's in their head. Yes, you heard that right. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. A strange yet fascinating fact, isn't it? Moving on to our second intriguing animal fact. Did you know a snail can sleep for up to 3 years? This extended hibernation helps them survive in periods of extreme weather or scarcity of food. Next on our list is about the koala. The fingerprints of a koala are so similar to humans that they have often been mistaken for human fingerprints at crime scenes. Quite the sneaky creature, isn't it? On to our fourth fact. Slugs have not 1, not 2, but 4 noses. Talk about sensory perception. Now, think about this. What is the only animal that cannot jump? It's the elephant. Despite their immense strength and size, elephants are physically incapable of jumping. Our sixth fact is about the rhinoceros. Their horn is not bone or cartilage as one might think. Instead, it's made of hair. A compact mass of keratin fibers, to be precise, the same protein that makes up our hair and nails. Did you know that almost 50% of orangutans have fractured bones due to falling out of trees on a regular basis? Quite a risky lifestyle, wouldn't you say? Next is a fact about the ostrich. The eye of an ostrich is bigger than its brain. It seems like they are more about sight than intellect. Did you know that when exiting a cave, bats always turn left? It's their unique way of navigating the dark, confined spaces. And for our final fact of the day, nearly 3% of the ice in Antarctic glaciers is penguin urine. Now that's a chilling fact, isn't it? So there you have it, 10 intriguing facts about the animal kingdom. From shrimps with hearts in their heads, to slugs with 4 noses, to penguins contributing to the ice in Antarctica, the animal world is full of surprises. Remember, the more we understand about these creatures, the better we can appreciate and conserve our shared planet.